All right. Hi, guys. Today we are looking at the EURJPY and we're going to start with the weekly, and we could see that this market has been moving sideways on the weekly. So I want to identify my ranges. I'm going to start here and here. This is a good representation of the high areas and the low areas. We do have the market pushing between these ranges, as we could see. High, low to high, high to low, and we're now working our way back up. So most recently we are going to be working our way back up to the top of this range right here. So I want to start from the lowest point as the market works its way up, and that's where I'm going to use my Fibonacci's. I could see that the market stopped out this Fibonacci, stopped out this one, and we have the most recent one in play. And the most recent one that's in play also happened at a nice area that was resistance to become support. So that's a good sign. We have the market coming back down. You could see when we broke this level, we came down, bounced off of this level, and if you bought here, which is one of the techniques we use, you would have been bullish ever since. And you could see that this market is working its way up. I want to take this information down to the smaller time frame. So I want to identify my targets with my ranges. Let me see. I'm going to bring this over, and then I want to link this to the lower time frame. I want to link this to the lower time frame. And once I go down to my daily charts, I can see these areas linked and on the charts. So now that I have this area identified, all right, we could see that the market has been pushing up from here on the daily, and that's where I want to start my most recent Fibonacci. So what we have in front of us is this market with most recent ABCD swings. We also have an area here, most recent swing, where this market should have enough energy to get up to here. So what we are going to do is link that again, and that's how I go down to my lower time frame. I'm going to link this object, lower time frame. When I go to the 4 hour, I just want to do ABCD swings from there, from C to D. Good, most recent swing, the market did correct. Are we at an area of resistance becoming support? If I look here, we do have an area where this market rejected. We came back nicely to this area, and we seem to be pushing up. So on the 4 hour here, I want to be looking for some bullish opportunities. We do have a 4 hour swing. The market came to the 5-0. Could it come a little deeper? Yes, it can, but we need to see. So for me, my bias is going to be bullish on this EURJPY. We have the market probably doing something like this up to these levels here. This is the daily target, and when we hit that daily target, we are probably going to correct and then continue going after. So on the daily, it's going to look something like this. Sorry, it's going to look like this. Come up to here, we are probably going to correct and then continue going again. Or depending on how aggressive the move is, we could probably actually go up and fulfill this weekly D extension right away. But what we want to do is look for those areas to buy to get in this trade. So we want to be buying this market, but we need to, just like we would have done here, buy the dips. Sorry. So what we want to do is buy the dips. So just like we would have done here, we want to buy these levels. If we get this correction, then we want to start back buying. So it's buy, buy, buy. Once the D extension is hit, we want to pause, let the market correct, and then we look to continue buying if it gives us this type of setup. For now, what we want to do on the 4 hour is look to be buying these areas as the market goes up to this 4 hour D extension, and that's my game plan for the EURJPY until the market tells me otherwise. For now, we are bullish. We have been bullish. We have been pushing up. We have not hit a D extension as yet, so this market can potentially continue going bullish. I like this trade setup. Let's see if we get any entries within this upcoming week, guys.